It seems incredible that an aircraft like this can disappear without trace. The Boeing 777 has had an excellent safety record, and it's full of electronic equipment to tell the ground where it is.
Even with a serious malfunction, you've normally got time. The first thing you do is concentrate on flying the aircraft and making sure that the flight path is safe. Then you'll look where you're going, but then very soon after that you'll be looking to get some communication going, getting some help from either ground station or other aircraft.
Major problems should leave a clue. If all the engines fail, the pilot can still potentially glide for around 80 or 90 miles, giving them time to radio in a mayday call, and you'd see the descent on the radar. The lack of an emergency call also suggests it wasn't a hijacking. Pilots can enter special emergency codes if someone's trying to break into the locked flight deck. A sudden loss of pressure because of a window blowing out, for example, means the crew will dive to lose altitude, but the aircraft shouldn't disintegrate. The fact it just dropped off the radar suggests a sudden, catastrophic break-up in mid-air, but they won't know why until they find the aircraft, and time's against them.
Attached to the cockpit voice recorder there is a pinger which emits a radio signal that can be detected underwater, and that will emit for about 30 days, or if it's quite warm waters, longer than that, say 40 days.
It revives memories of another crash. Air France Flight 447 disappeared over the sea in 2009. It took investigators years to find all the pieces and establish what happened. And it may take months or even years to solve the mystery of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370. Now, if the Malaysia flight has come down in the sea, most of it will sink. But there should still be some evidence floating on the surface. So as time rolls on, the wind and the tides will spread that debris around, making it even harder to find this missing aircraft.